Good morning. Thank you, Bobby, for your kind words and for your leadership of the Office of Information Policy here at DOJ. Today is the first day of my first full week as Attorney General, and I am delighted to begin it by joining you to celebrate both the principles that have animated DOJ's Sunshine Week events over the past decade and the public servants who work each day to protect those principles of open government and democratic accountability. As I said just after I was sworn in last week, the only way the Justice Department can succeed and retain the trust of the American people is to adhere to the principles that have become core to our DNA since Edward Levy's tenure as the first post-Watergate Attorney General. The principles of open government and democratic accountability are at the heart of who we are as public servants and as Americans. Throughout my career, both as a judge and at DOJ, I've seen firsthand the importance of the statute that brings us together today, the Freedom of Information Act, and the DOJ's special responsibility to ensure its faithful and effective administration. As the Supreme Court has long recognized, quote, FOIA is vital to the functioning of a democratic society because it allows for an informed citizenry that is up to the task of holding those who govern accountable to the governed. Without accountability, democracy is impossible, and democratic accountability requires the kind of transparency that FOIA makes possible. That is why faithful administration of FOIA is essential to American democracy. Now, I know that's a lot easier said than done. The work of faithful FOIA administration is not easy. Over the past year, amidst this global pandemic, FOIA professionals across the government processed more than 770,000 record requests from citizens across America, journalists and academics, attorneys, students alike. Today, I am proud to say thank you to the dedicated FOIA professionals whose daily work and service to our country help make these principles real, and perhaps especially during the hardest days. Thank you for your service. Thank you for keeping the faith. I look forward to working with you in the days ahead.